Hi, welcome back to Patrick's Tech Reviews, and today we're having another Spyderco review. Very beautiful knife. This time it is, let's focus up, the C36GPSE, which is the military folding. So let's take it out of the box, and here we go. This one is a very grippy knife because of the texture of the handles. Focus. Here we go. You can see it. Very nice texture. It's very grippy. We have the clip here. Very rough, very tight grip. And this one is the half serrated, half plain blade with the focus. Here we go. The CPM S30V steel. I guess I have to manually focus. Here we go. The beautiful Spyderco back, and I just like the way this knife looks. It's a big knife. Let me give you the specs. It is, the blade length is 102 millimeters. Cutting edge is 94 millimeters. Blade thickness is 4 millimeters. Then the overall length is 241 millimeters if it's open, and if it's closed is 140. The hole diameter is 14 millimeters, and as I said, the blade steel is CPM 530V stainless steel. It weighs 120 grams, and the handle material is G10. And I really like this material. It might get dirty over some time, but you can clean it up. But this one is really, really grippy. And let me show you the blade one more time. I really like this half serrated blade. You can see it's brushed. Looks really, really nice. Focus. Here we go. You can see it has the handle, the serrated part in the handle. Oh my god, really, this camera is not made for this. Let's just manually focus, it's going to be easier. Here you go, you can see it here, and on top we have the same. And as I said, it's really nice. The handles are really, really nice and grippy. Yeah. Closing mechanism, not like normal, usually on Spyderco in the back. It's in here, you press it in, and then you can fold the knife. Overall, very beautiful knife. I really like it. Original retail price is $260, $259.95, and there are some offers at the moment, so just check it out. And let me just cut some paper. As you can see, it is sharp as hell. Alright, so thanks a lot, and I see you in the next review. Cheers!